Welcome to Digital Cashflow. Today, we're diving into a super important topic to change the way you think about money and get you on the road to financial success. We're going to explore some easy but powerful tips to help you become the best version of yourself and reach your money goals. Whether you're just starting out or already working towards financial freedom, this video is for you. Forget about fancy cars and private jets for now. A true millionaire mindset is all about your attitude, self-control, and plan. It's about knowing how to use your time and money wisely, how to beat challenges, and how to keep going even when things get tough. I'm going to share 5 important tips to help you develop this millionaire mindset and give you real strategies that you can start using today to reach your goals. The first step to success is knowing where you want to go, and for that there's nothing better than setting SMART goals. So what is it? SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Let's look at an example. Imagine your goal is to become rich. It's a good start, but it's way too fuzzy. A SMART goal would be, invest $100 per month in an ETF for the next 12 months. See the difference? The second goal is specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and it has a deadline. Having SMART goals is like having a map to guide you to your financial destination. Think about your own financial goals. Are they really smart? If not, take the time to reword them. Write them down, post them somewhere you'll see them every day. Don't hesitate to break down your big goals into smaller ones. Achieving small wins regularly will make you feel like you're making progress and keep you going. And most importantly, celebrate every step you take. Giving yourself a reward, within reason of course, helps you stay motivated for the long haul. So ready to get started? Grab your notebook and start setting your SMART goals now. Success doesn't happen by accident. It's the result of small, everyday actions. And for that, you need to build winning habits. Think of millionaires like Warren Buffett or Bill Gates. They didn't get there by sitting around doing nothing. They worked hard, always kept learning, and knew how to have the right people around them. What habits can you start today to get closer to your goals? Start by getting up earlier. Use this quiet time to read, learn, meditate, or just plan your day. Another key habit, reading. Reading helps you learn new things, improve your critical thinking skills, and open your mind to new ideas. And of course, don't forget how important exercise and a healthy diet are. Your body is your tool, so it's really important to take care of it. Don't try to change everything at once. Start by adding one new habit at a time, and once it sticks, move on to the next. The most important thing is to keep at it. Remember, success is not a place you arrive at, it's a journey. It's by building good habits that you can make progress in the long run. Surround yourself with the right people. Millionaires don't become millionaires on their own. They spend time with driven, ambitious people who encourage them to do more. Tell me who your 5 closest friends are, and I'll tell you who you are. This saying, even though it's short, shows how important the people around us are. If you're around negative people who don't believe in you and don't encourage you, you'll probably never reach your full potential. But if you're around positive, inspiring people who challenge you and push you to be your best, then you'll be surprised at how much you can do. Go to events, conferences, workshops, and training courses. It's the best way to meet people who have the same values and goals as you. Don't be afraid to leave toxic people behind, even if you've known them for a long time. Your success depends on it. Remember, you're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with, so choose who you spend time with carefully. Take smart risks. Playing it safe doesn't lead to success. It's simple. If staying in your comfort zone was enough to succeed, everyone would be a millionaire. Taking risks means getting out of your comfort zone. It's being brave enough to try new things. It's accepting that you might fail. Be careful, I'm not saying you should quit everything all at once to start a crazy project without thinking it through. Taking smart risks means first getting information, learning, looking at your options, and not being afraid to ask experts for advice. Investing in real estate, starting your own business, learning a new job. There are lots of opportunities, but they all come with some risk. The key is to learn how to handle that risk. Do the math, analyze, plan, don't put all your eggs in one basket. And most of all, don't be afraid to fail. Failure is part of learning. It's our mistakes that help us grow and become stronger. So, what smart risk are you going to take today to get closer to your goals? Stay disciplined and patient. The road to success is long, there are no shortcuts. You will run into problems, and sometimes you won't see results right away. This is where discipline and patience are important. Discipline is your ability to stay focused on your goals even when you don't feel like it. It's saying no to distractions, temptations, and putting things off. Patience is your ability to keep going, even when results are slow to show up. It's about believing in yourself and your project, even when things get tough. Building real wealth takes time. Don't expect to get rich overnight. Set realistic goals, work hard, and be patient. You'll get there eventually. Remember why you started. Picture your goals. Imagine your life once you've reached them. Keep that picture in mind, and let it help you through hard times. And most of all, never forget that success isn't a finish line, it's a marathon. So get ready for the long run. Here are the 5 tips to get a millionaire mindset. Set smart goals, build winning habits, surround yourself with the right people, take smart risks, stay disciplined and patient. If you use these tips, you're on the right path to success. So now it's your turn. Leave a comment below with one tip you plan to use today. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe for more videos on how to build your wealth. Thank you for watching this video on digital cash flow. Stay focused, stay ambitious, and most of all, stay disciplined. See you next time.